All right, so let's talk about how to set alerts intraday on any particular ticker so that, as you're planning your trades, you can set particular limits where price action approaches um, and alerts you so that you can get in or at least evaluate a trade whether or not you should be getting in. So, what I like to do is I like to use alerts for my breakout trades. Um, and if you don't know what a breakout or breakdown is, reference my other videos to explain what that is and get a better understanding from a technical analysis perspective. But basically, a breakout trade is essentially when price reaches a high of day, for example, and then retreats or retraces, and then it kind of makes a second attempt, right? And approaches or touches or even goes beyond that high of day and breaks out over that initial high of day um, price, and most likely, more likely than not, continues upward, right? Before it retraces again and maybe breaks back down, or makes another attempt to break another high of day that is set. So um, one of the you know founding um, principles of set and forget is using an alert, and TradingView allows you to do so. Many other trading platforms allow you to do it, but I prefer to use TradingView. And one way you can do it is just clicking up here with this little clock with a plus sign. You can use a hotkey of Alt plus A, and you can create a trading alert. So, for example, on LMFA, let's just say we're sitting here, in the morning, and we see here that this particular ticker made a high day right here, right about 477. And let's just say you see the stock, you're trying to plan your trade, and it has good news, it has good volume, and it's a good candidate, right, for your particular setup on a breakout trade. No volume just yet, but you want to set an alert. And maybe you're watching other stocks, and you can't really watch them all at the same time. So what you're going to do is you're going to set an alert, and you're going to say, okay, I want to set an alert for LMFA crossing the price of, let's just say it was like 480 at that time, right? So you type in 480, and you have several options. You can have it alert you every time um, it crosses 480, or just one time. And you can set an expiration for the alert, and you can put some notifications on, so it notifies you on the trading platform. It shows a pop-up on your app on your phone, a pop-up on the trading platform, and also an email. I like to have all three because I don't know where I'm going to be if it does break the 480. And essentially, you can create a message of what it is. You could say, hey, buy now, or you could just keep it as a standard template. Now, once you click create, you're going to see this orange dotted line that is created. And as you can see, what happens is you'll just kind of go along your day, and maybe you're away from the computer, and this trade will kind of either fizzle away, or like it did in this case, volume comes in and then boom, shoots it right above this high of day of 480. Now, we're on a 1 minute candle, so what this tells you is that um, you know, you have 2 or 3 minutes here to kind of evaluate and try to get into the trade. I probably wouldn't get in until I see a closed candle bar, verifying that this is not a false breakout. And as you can see, you can get in anywhere between 480 and 487, and this sucker went all the way up to 650 on a beautiful breakout with nice volume. Let's take a look at another one. Carve is another one today, right? That was a big percent gainer, big winner. Now, let's just say we set the alert at the high of day, and we can kind of see that it didn't touch the high of day here, right, of 38.79. It got close to it, but never did touch. So this will save you, right? It'll save you from losing trades. But if you're working on particular breakout strategy, this is an excellent opportunity. ARPO, again, you can set it at right here. You can kind of see it broke through it, retraced, and then pushed all the way up to make new high days. So enjoy.